Again, and welcome to Time Loaded Media. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add automatic chapters or auto chapters to your YouTube videos. So, recently YouTube rolled out a new policy or new feature rather that enables you to put automatic chapters to your YouTube videos. So, if you've been struggling or searching on YouTube on how you can enable automatic chapters or auto chapters to YouTube videos, and why not? Because in today's video I'll be showing you exactly how you can do that. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So as you can see, I'm on my browser, Google Chrome to be precise. All we simply need to do is to head on to youtube.com, where we can enable auto chapters, automatic chapters to our YouTube videos. And if you're conversant with your YouTube studio, you must have seen the update. And if you don't know what automatic chapters are, is automatic chapters, YouTube rolled out this new feature a couple of weeks ago, and it enables you to generate more views for your YouTube videos rather, or your YouTube channel. When you enable it, people get to understand. I have the opportunity to choose between what they actually want to, from where they actually want to start watching your video. So to enable automatic chapters to your YouTube video, all you simply need to do is to head on to our YouTube studio here. Now we're going to click on the profile icon at the right hand side here. Just a moment. I'm going to click on let's see, we're going to click just a moment. We're going to select the channel here to add automatic chapters to our YouTube videos. So now we're going to click on YouTube Studio here. I'm going to open our YouTube Studio. Just a moment while this loads. So this is our YouTube Studio. So to enable automatic chapters, all we simply need to do, we're going to click on a specific video to enable that, and then I will show you two steps in which you can enable automatic chapters to your YouTube videos. So let's hold on. Now we're going to click on, let's hold on while it's load. We're going to click on details here. So we're going to scroll down. Now let's say you can actually enable automatic chapters in your YouTube video description. What that simply means is you can actually go to your video description. Let's say we're going to give a space here, and now we're going to start with to enable or to add manually. All you simply need to do, you're going to write a timestamp here. Just a moment. Timestamp. Then we're going to go down. We're going to start with 0.00. You need to add these zeros here to your YouTube. That shows at the beginning of the beginning of your YouTube videos. So now then, let's see. We're going to start with the search convention 0.05 seconds. That let's see, intro. We're going to write intro here. Then we'll go down again, and then we're going to type 0.010 seconds. Now you should probably talk about what is. Let me click YouTube, and then we're going to go. So this is how you can add timestamp or automatic chapters manually. So now we're going to scroll down and show you how you can actually do that automatically, or YouTube allows you to do this automatically. So we're going to go down. Let's see. So as you can see, automatic chapters. Chapters can make your video easier to watch. You can overwrite automatic chapters anytime by creating your own chapters in the video description, like I've just showed you. So all you simply need to do, you can actually enable this, or this is automatic. Once you, this is automatically placed on your video, so you can leave this on. And if you don't want automatic chapters on your video, you can actually override this or turn this off. So that is one step on how you can actually enable automatic chapters to your YouTube videos. So let's say this, and then I'll show you the second step in which you can actually do that. So now we're going to scroll down here to settings. Now we're going to go to upload default. Just a moment. Now we're going to click on the advanced here. When are you getting it? Let's see. Yeah, this is it. Automatic chapters. Chapters can make your video easier to watch. You can override automatic chapters anytime by creating your own chapters in the video description. So allow automatic chapters when available and eligible. So this is, I mean, this actually comes automatically, so you don't really need to do anything. But if you don't want automatic chapters on your video, all you simply need to do is to turn off this, or is to untick this box here. So I think this video is pretty much easy for a novice to understand this video. So that is it on this video on how you can turn on automatic chapters on your YouTube videos. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.